Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Up. Today I will show you how to find your Discord user ID under Discord app. Discord user ID is nothing but a numerical string that is unique to you. It is used by Discord to create logs of your activities for future reference and processing. Discord also has unique IDs for messages, channels and servers. However, looking up one's own Discord user ID can be a bit tricky. So let's see how it is done. First open the Discord app and then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Here you will see your profile sections. Scroll down and find Appearance option. You will find the Appearance option on the app setting. Tap on that and again scroll down. Here you will find the Developer Mode option on the Advanced setting. Here you will see the toggle switch right beside the Developer Mode. Tap on the toggle switch and turn on the Developer Mode. Once you turn on the Developer Mode, come back and scroll up. Here you will see the three dot icon at the top right corner. Tap on that and you will see a menu pop up. Here you will see the ID. Tap on copy ID. Here the ID has been copied. Now I will paste the ID somewhere to make it visible. I will paste here. Here you can successfully see the ID. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.